What's up, everybody? It's your boy TJTV, and I am back with another video. Today is going to be a detailing related video. I'm on time at the customer's house, and it is raining, so it is going to be probably a before and after, maybe some clips here and there. But like I said, I just got here. It's raining today. Well, you can't really see that, but if you look, yeah, and I'm sure you can hear it. The sky is cloudy and as rainy as it's gonna get. Luckily, it's not that much worse. Um, but like I said, I'm here at the customer's house. We're gonna get the car cleaned up. I'm gonna take y'all around the car so you can see what I'm gonna be working with. And yeah, because it's rain. So we had her scheduled last weekend, and it rained. Um, and I was like, all right, let's just push it off to next Friday, see if it rains again. And it is raining again. Now I don't want to keep pushing it off, and everything like that. So today we are going to do a rinseless wash method. I'm going to close up all the doors and everything on the vehicle, take you for a spin around, and then show you what I'm working with on the inside. The inside is the worst. She has, I think, three or four kids. So that's about it. But like I said, we're gonna do a rinseless wash method. Still do the 2 bucket method. I went to the store and got some distilled water. Brought all my interior supplies and everything else is in the car. Have it locked up right now just because I don't need it. So I'll run back out there whenever I need to. I'm letting the floor mats get wet like I showed you a few minutes ago because they were really dirty. That way I can use some of the rainwater as well to try to get these things clean, and it can break up all that dirt and dust that's already on there. I can just dump the water off, dry them up, hit it with the APC, and get that going. All right, so I'm gonna take y'all for a spin around. All right, so here's what we are working with. Back seats fold down, and like I said, this is just the interior first. All right, that's the interior. Like I said, well, you really can't see all of the dirt and everything that's on the vehicle because it got wet as well. Um, Now that I'm thinking about it, I'm assuming they drove it. Let's get these lights cut back on 1 sec. All right, I'm assuming they drove it because the vehicle is wet. But like I said, it's not an issue. So all of the stuff that you saw on the inside of the vehicle, the big stuff, I'm going to go ahead and pull out, get rid of, sit to the side, which is what I mean, and probably get to vacuuming. I'll wash it up last. I'm gonna knock out the inside first because it's gonna take me the longest. And button, where are you? There we go. Yeah, so that's the game plan. Knock out the inside first since it's gonna take the longest. I can spend more time paying attention to it, and it's not gonna take me that long to wash it. So I will see y'all when it's done. Like I said, it might be some clips in between. Once I get going, I like to get going and just go ahead and knock it out. So can't make any promises, but I'll see y'all once it's done. If it doesn't start thundering real bad and shaking everything else, I will be available. All right, everybody, here is a mid-progress report, I guess you could say. I have done the inside of the car, vacuumed it out thoroughly, wiped down the dash, got all the trim pieces and everything shined up. I just finished cleaning the WeatherTech mats, I guess you could say. I'm going to let those dry. While those are drying, I'm going to put on the tire shine. And once I get done putting on the tire shine, I'm going to go ahead and clean the windows. I do that last just to make sure if there's anything that I sprayed or anything like that, I get it. But once I get done putting on the tire shine, I'm going to clean the windows. Um, After the windows, and also because it's the bare carpet, so if I get a couple of specks on it, I won't be as mad as if I got it on the WeatherTech mats that I just cleaned, you know. So I'm gonna do that, and then once I'm done with the windows, I'm gonna dry off these mats, put a protectant on there, and I'll be out of here. But I'm gonna swing y'all around for the mid-progress report. It is still raining. So here we go. Yes, ma'am. And these are the mats that I just cleaned. It's raining, so they're getting a little wet, but that's fine. Let's do this. So like I said, I used a rinseless wash. There's stuff like down in there. She didn't want me to take the seats out or anything like that, so I had to pass. And then once I come into the glass, I'm gonna go ahead and hit this too. But drastic difference, if I do say so myself. And then of course you hit that once you're wrapped up. So I wish it was more in the sun so you could see, but obviously y'all know from what it looked like at first how it looks like now. It's a big change. Big change. And then we'll go around the other side. So like I said, I used a rinseless wash on this. You can see that reflection. Got the rims cleaned up. So yeah, all I got left is the glass, finish up some of the last trim pieces, and put those in, and we'll be wrapped up and out of here. It's probably going to storm here badly in a few because the wind just blew and knocked over my vacuum. That's actually very heavy, so I'm surprised. But yeah, it's gonna get something. See how the tree is moving. So, like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this up. Almost done. That way I can get out of here. I gotta go about the supply stores and re-up on some detailing chemicals, and then I'll be out of here. So I'll show you all the final product here shortly. Catch you in a few. All right, y'all. Yes, it is hot. Ooh-wee. It is hot, but I am done. Um, I have completed everything. So now it's time to, I'm sorry, notification. Now it's time to clean up. I just got to grab some stuff off of the shelf and then pack up everything in my car while it's raining, try to go ahead and run it in. But I'm going to swing y'all around the car. So thank y'all for tuning in. Thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for watching this far. If you found something useful, or if you like the results and you want to know more, or you want to know how I did it, or you want to know some of the steps that I took to get certain things clean, let me know in the comments, or shoot me a message at Clean Dreams Car Care on Instagram. You can also message me on Facebook, Clean Dreams Car Care. If you hit me up about detailing on my car page, I might not see it because my car page gets flooded with messages and DMs and stuff. So that'll be more dialed in, if you will, more direct. So yeah, I'm done. Like I said, thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for tuning in. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that share button, and I'll swing y'all around. See y'all in the next video.